Hello students, let's have a very good video today in which I am going to explain you about a very different numbers known as Hardy-Ramanujan numbers. This concept is used in some of the classes in some of the schools of class 7 and class 8 where we used to learn about cube and cube roots. So these numbers have some speciality as they are expressed as sum of two cubes in two different ways. So all those numbers are known as Hardy-Ramanujan numbers. We'll be doing some examples. So let's get started with the video. So the very first number, which is Hardy-Ramanujan number, is 1729. Why we call this number a Hardy-Ramanujan number? Because this can be expressed as sum of cubes. At one place you can write it as the sum of 10 cube plus 9 cube, because you know that 10 cube is 1000 plus 9 cube is 729. So this is 1729. So 1729 is expressed as 10 cube plus 9 cube. So this is expressed as sum of cubes. Okay, cubes of two numbers. That's why it is known as Hardy-Ramanujan number. In one more different way it can be used, and that is 12 cube plus 1 cube. This 12 cube is 1728, and when you will add 1 cube here you will get 1 only. So 1728 plus 1 will give you 1729. So all those numbers which can be expressed as sum of cubes of two different numbers in two different ways are known as Hardy-Ramanujan numbers. More examples we have. Let's suppose we have, after 1729 we have 4104, which is a Hardy-Ramanujan number. Next we have 1300, 13832. This is also a Hardy-Ramanujan numbers, and so on. We have infinitely many numbers which are known as Hardy-Ramanujan numbers. Is it clear? So students, whatever we learn about Hardy-Ramanujan number has one story behind that I told you. Hardy went to see Ramanujan in hospital in taxi, and the number of that taxi is 1729, which we learn about, right? That's why when he went to see him in the hospital, he told Ramanujan that I'm coming in this taxi and the number is 1729 and it looks boring to me. Then Ramanujan explained, no, it's not boring. It is a very special number. It is the smallest number which can be expressed as sum of cubes, and in two different ways. Sum of two cube numbers in two different ways. Okay. And also these numbers are very much interesting, as because I just told you they are expressed as sum of two cubes and in two different ways, right? So these are Hardy-Ramanujan numbers because both of the scientists contributed in gaining these numbers. Okay, so there are some speciality behind these numbers. As we already expressed, they are the only numbers in the world or in all the whole number system, and the very smallest number is 1729. This number is asked in some of the entrance exams, so always remember about this Hardy-Ramanujan number. So you will gain some mark just because of this number also. So just keep this in mind, and I hope the video is very much useful to all of you. So thank you so much. Stay safe, take care, and